Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're planning your next adventure in 2025 and want to snag the best flight deals without constantly checking prices, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set up Google Flight Price Alerts. This nifty feature from Google can save you time and money by notifying you when prices drop on your desired routes. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Google Flights website or open the app on your phone. It's super user-friendly and free to use. Once you're there, start by entering your departure city, destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. For example, if you're dreaming of a trip to Tokyo from New York in June 2025, plug that in. After you run your search, you'll see a list of flight options with prices. Look for the Track Prices button. It's usually right next to the flight details. Click on that, and Google will ask you to set up an alert. You'll need to provide your email address so they can send you updates. Don't worry, it's secure and you can unsubscribe anytime. Now, here's a pro tip. Make sure to use incognito mode or a private browser when searching to avoid personalized pricing based on your search history, which might inflate costs. Once you've set it up, Google will monitor prices for you and send alerts via email when they change, like if a flight drops by $50 or more. One more thing. Keep an eye on the frequency of alerts. You can usually adjust settings to get daily or weekly updates. This is perfect for budget travelers or anyone hunting for last-minute deals. By using Google Flight Price Alerts, you'll stay ahead of the game and score those sweet discounts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below with your next destination. Safe travels, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.